Moisturize the dry air in your home or office in minutes with the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Pure Enrichment. This powerful and sleekly designed tabletop humidifier is packed with smart features, making it the ideal solution to improve the air quality in any room. Featuring a 1.5-liter tank delivering more than 150 milliliters of moisture per hour, this humidifier provides unparalleled relief from dry air and runs for up to 16 hours on a single tank. Fine-tune the exact amount of moisture you desire with a 360-degree mist nozzle, as well as high and low mist settings. For a soothing glow and maximum relaxation, turn on the optional nightlight. The humidifier couldn't be more safe and user-friendly, with automatic shutoff when the water level is low or the tank is removed. You'll sleep well knowing that the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier is backed by Pure Enrichment's industry-leading 2-year warranty. The Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Pure Enrichment. Order yours today and experience a dramatic improvement in the air quality of your home or office.
This winter, will you suffer from headaches, concentration problems, dry and cracked skin, itchy dry eyes or dry nose lining? Most likely, your house heating is over-drying your indoor air and causing all of these symptoms. That's why you need a Venta Airwasher. An Airwasher corrects air humidity by evaporation. Look, these discs act as collection plates, picking up water from the unit's reservoir. The dry room air moves over the plates and picks up moisture and then exits back into your room, correcting any dryness, leaving the air refreshed and invigorating. But here's where your Airwasher is superior to a plain humidifier or vaporizer. While it quietly humidifies, the discs trap any airborne bacteria, dirt and allergens from your room. Since these particles can't evaporate, only humidified and purified air is free to exit back into your room. So say goodbye to colds and cough bacteria transmission. Venta Airwashers give you perfect humidity, but with so much more. They never over-humidify. They don't use messy filters. They trap airborne bacteria. They don't produce white dust. And they're made in Germany, which is why an Airwasher lasts and lasts. For a lifetime, in fact. Venta Airwasher, the original patented by Venta in 1982.
The Honeywell HCM 350 germ-free cool moisture humidifier is incredibly efficient in establishing a clean breathing environment. Self-regulating evaporative technology has made this unit capable of eliminating up to 99.9% of bacteria, mold, and various other harmful allergens. 30% quieter than rivaling humidifiers, this model comes installed with an air washing filter and an antimicrobial treated filter. The addition of easy-to-set-up electronics eliminates any and all hassles associated with the accessibility of your humidifier. The Honeywell germ-free cool moisture humidifier is an ideal fit for medium to large-size rooms and is capable of running up to 24 uninterrupted hours per filling with its 1.5-gallon tank capacity. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.